How to find Snapchat username. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to talk about finding your own or someone else's Snapchat username. So in order to do that, you need to go ahead and open Snapchat application first. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account and then tap on the Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of your screen. Your username appears right below your snap code or profile picture. If you want to find someone else's username, you can search by real name. You can tap on this search bar over here, then simply search for their real name. If they appear in the search bar matching their first name and the last name, you'll be able to find them. You can also try scanning the snap code. Get your snap code image, open Snapchat camera, and point at this snap code, and tap and hold on to the screen to scan and add. You can add them from their contacts and tap on add friends and then all contacts. You can also sync your contacts and see who has linked their Snapchat. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.